What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mint, and I'm back again with another video. So first of all, I want to thank everybody. I finally hit 500 subscribers. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but I recently started YouTubing, so it's just like a hobby, pastime of mine, but I do want to put some effort into it and build up a community and provide as much alpha as possible. So once again, I appreciate all the support, and I do drop a lot of good alpha here. I would like to say it's good alpha, but once again, I do have to repeat, I'm not a financial advisor, so please, use these videos as a starting point, but still create your own strategy, do your own research, and kind of figure out what to do with those plays. Just to show my appreciation back to those who subscribe to my channel and support me. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a 0.1 Ethereum giveaway. At this point, it's like $450. It can go up to 500, who knows, but I will give 0.1 Ethereum, maybe conversion of BTC just in case if gas is high, I don't want to spend that much. So I want to talk about an NFT drop that will be dropping on November 2nd. And it's going to be a whitelist only NFT mint. So this NFT drop is by an artist named Drifter Shoots. He is the creator of Where My Vans Go. And if you don't know what Where My Vans Go is, it's an NFT collection of about 115 items. Floor price is 24 Ethereum. And essentially it's him just kind of going to different places in the world and taking a picture of his Vans. And very recently this year, it blew up. A lot of people in the NFT community know about this, got into it, and there's just a lot of value behind his projects. He only drops limited release NFTs, so this one's 115. His new collection is the Come Alive collection. It's going to drop about 200 items, but all 93 owners of his previous collection of Where My Vans Goes will get a whitelist spot, and then the remainder of the whitelist spots will be up for a kind of like a raffle / randomly drawn situation, and there'll also be 5 slots for people in the community that want to partake in his event. So basically, I would recommend first to kind of go over to their Discord over here, and I'll link everything in the description below, but here you can kind of see the calendar of when his Come Alive edition will come out, what time. So you pretty much have to sign up for the whitelist by 5 p.m. Eastern time on October 31st. So that's in 2 days. He also has 5 slots for a community competition that he's also going to be giving away, and you can get all the information here on the breaking news tab. So from here you can pretty much find all the information on this NFT drop, and he does have the whitelist link in this section as well. So scrolling up here, you can see this is where you sign up on his Google form to enter the whitelist competition. With 93 holders, 200 drop, there's about 100-ish spots, because he's also going to have 5 for a giveaway. You pretty much just go to the forums here, and I'll link this in the description below as well. And here you pretty much just fill out all the required information. So you will have to just join the Discord server, provide your wallet address, got to provide Twitter, and just put a little blurb over there to tell him why you should vibe with Drift. So he's a really cool guy. I've looked into his account, and I've also seen what he talks about. His artwork is very personal. He's gone on a journey to kind of post-military lifestyle, PTSD sufferer, and uses NFT and art as his coping mechanism. And a lot of people in the community support his work. I do think that this is going to blow up upon release. I believe the mint starts at about 0.2 or 0.25 Ethereum. I read it somewhere, but I was having difficulty finding it. But if you do get the chance of getting whitelisted, I would definitely go in on this. Once again, not financial advice, but you saw the floor price of his last collection at 24 Ethereum, so this could definitely 100x from the mint price. So from the breaking news section of Discord, if you actually follow the link to where he had a thread of his upcoming release, he provides all the information here. It's going to be on November 2nd. That's the Come Alive, which is going to be a 200 quantity release, and then he's also going to have 2 one-of-ones on Super Rare and Tribute, and he's also having a community art contest to help boost Where My Fans Go Discord. So this is going to be just create anything with gifts, art, maybe a jingle. Very simple, so I would just definitely recommend doing it. I'm probably going to do this tonight and just submit it, because if you have a higher chance of getting whitelist, why not take it? I believe that this NFT release is going to be very huge and go up in price very quickly after. It's very limited. There's only going to be about 90 to 100 spots available for you to get chosen from the raffle, and then he has a really big community behind him, huge backing, and with his last collection of how popular and successful it was, I think this is a great opportunity. If you can get in, you will have a great return on your investment. Once again, not financial advice, but that's all I want to kind of talk about today. It's Halloween weekend, so definitely going to be out this weekend, but also stay safe out there, whatever your plans are. And I'm loving the support I'm getting. I definitely want to make more videos for you guys. Remember to like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, get alpha to your feed as soon as I drop it, because all this information is very time sensitive. But without further ado, thanks again for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys next time.